Welcome. Today I am with Nokia C20 and I will show you the Easter eggs and the Google Go application. So let's open it. When you're on the main screen, and swipe for the left and then click and hold by swiping. As you can see, there we got the Easter egg animation. There's the another one. And another one. Let's check what we get here also. Okay, and the last one. No, it's the same. Yeah, and it's the last one. And the same when you go for the right. Oh, there's the new one. And there's also the one that jumps from here on the rope, like from building or something like that. Yeah, no, not this one. There's one with balloon. Oh yeah, I was talking about this one. So as you can see, there we have the few Easter eggs on the Google Go application, and that's what I found out right now. And if you find something also, just leave it in a comment. So for sure I'm going to record a video about that. And if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.